Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I'm going to show you how to connect your iPhone to the Xiaomi Smart Band 9 Active. Okay, to connect it, you need to download the MI Fitness. You can see here. And after that, open the app. First of all, when you open the app, you need to sign in your Xiaomi account to the app. So just select profile, and when it's not signed in, you will see profile here. Select on it and you will find the word create account. Just fill in your email and some information that required to the app, and after that you will be logged into your app. Okay, after you already log in your Xiaomi account, and this time you can just press this plus button to add device, or you can select the word device. If there are nothing connect to the app, you will see the words add device or scan here. And now I already connect to this one, and we can just press this plus button and select scanner. Okay, so keep it scan. If it's new from the box, you will see the scan code barcode on here, and if it already connect to another device, you can now just go to select the word setting, select the word system, and now you will see this one, connect new phone. Select on it, and it reminds you that connect to a new phone will disconnect current connection to your phone, and just confirm to continue. And now you will find the QR code on your band again. Okay, after scan you will find out more information. Just wait a little bit for your device and the iPhone to connect to each other. Okay, let's check out more detail how you can connect, and first time unboxing this Xiaomi Smart Band 9 Active from the link in the description. Okay, so now that's it. That is all for today's video of how you can connect your iPhone to Xiaomi Smart Band 9 Active. And now thanks for your time watching this video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.